Let me start with something uncomfortable, guys. Most people in South Africa who are trying to make money online are not failing because they are lazy. They are failing because they were sold the wrong idea of how online money actually works. You've probably seen it everywhere. Make money online with no skills. Earn from your phone. Quit your job in 30 days. And at first, it sounds hopeful, especially when you are under pressure, especially when salary is not enough or you don't have a job at all. But then reality hits. You try something, it doesn't work. You feel stupid for believing it. And now you are even more discouraged than before. If that's where you are right now, I want you to hear this clearly. The confusion makes sense. Most advice about how to make money online was never designed for South Africans, and it was never built on real skills. In this video, I want to slow things down and talk honestly about how to make money online in South Africa through real useful skills. Skills that companies and clients actually pay for. By the end of this video, you'll understand why most online money ideas fail, what real online jobs actually look like, and how to build online income that doesn't disappear after a few months. If you are watching this and you haven't subscribed yet, guys, hit that subscribe button. This channel is about real career and income advice for South Africans who want stability, not online fantasies. Most ways people try to make money online in South Africa fail for one simple reason. They are built on promises, not skills. A lot of online income ideas are designed to attract desperate people, people who need money now, people who feel stuck, people who feel left behind. So the message is always the same. You don't need experience. You don't need skills. You don't need income. You don't need time. But here's the truth, guys. If making money online was that easy, everyone would already be doing it. What actually happens is this. You try a method. You don't understand it properly. You don't see results quickly, and you quit. Then you move to the next thing, and the next, and the next. Over time, you don't just lose money, you lose confidence. Making money online is not magic. It follows the same rules as making money offline. Someone pays you because you solve a problem for them. If you don't understand that, you'll keep chasing things that looks easy but don't last. Real online jobs in South Africa don't look like what social media makes them look like. They are not flashy. They are not passive. They don't pay overnight. Online jobs are just normal jobs done through the internet. Companies still need work done. They still need people who can think, build, analyze, and support. The difference is that location matters less. Online jobs exist in areas like admin, support, customer support, data work, tech support, content, design, testing, operations, and digital marketing. These roles pay because they save companies time or money. They don't care if you are working from Sandton, Soweto, Polokwane, or your bedroom. They care if you do the work properly. Once you understand that, online jobs stop feeling mysterious, they start feeling achievable. In 2026, the internet is crowded, so skills matter more than ever. The skills that help you make money online are not the same ones that look exciting on TikTok. They are the ones businesses struggle to find. Skills like organizing information, working with systems, helping customers, managing platforms, understanding data, supporting teams remotely. These are not dream skills. They are useful skills, and useful skills get paid. The mistake many people make is trying to jump straight into income without building skills first. Skills comes before money, always. Once you accept that, everything becomes easier. You stop rushing, you stop panicking, and you start building something real. And if you are not sure where to even start building experience, I did a full video on freelancing as a career hack for South Africans. I'll link it up here and in the description below if you want to go deeper. Hi, I know I'm interrupting your video, but this is important if you are job hunting in South Africa right now. If you've been sending CV after CV and hearing nothing back, the problem it's not you, it's your tools. That's why I built the Job Hunters Toolkit. Inside you'll get 5 proven South African CV templates, 5 matching cover letters, a job-winning CV and cover letter guide, the 20 most common interview questions with answers, and even 20 job boards where you can apply, including hidden ones that most people don't even know about. It's everything you need to finally land interviews all in one place. Click the link up here or in the description now to grab it and give yourself a real chance because you deserve it. Now back to the video. A lot of people want work from home jobs in South Africa because they think it means less work. In reality, it usually means more responsibility. When you work from home, nobody is watching you. Nobody is checking if you are busy. Your results speak for you. This is why companies are careful about who they hire remotely. Work from home jobs reward people who are organized, reliable, and clear communicators. You don't need to be perfect, but you need to be consistent. Many South Africans fail at work from home jobs, not because they lack intelligence, but because nobody explained what remote work actually requires. It's still work, just without an office. Let's clear this up properly, guys. You don't need to be an influencer to earn money online. In fact, most people making steady online income are invincible. They are not posting daily. They are not selling courses. They are not going viral. They are working. Remote jobs South Africans can do include things like support roles, tech roles, operations roles, quality checking, research, coordination, and digital assistance. These jobs don't care about your followers. They care about your skills. If you prefer quiet, stable work, online income is actually more suited to you than influencer life. The good news is this: digital skills can be learned. You don't need to be young. You don't need to be a tech genius. You don't need expensive equipment. You need time, consistency, and patience. Digital skills include things like using tools properly, understanding workflows, working with online platforms, basic data skills, digital communication, and problem solving. Once you have one solid skill, it becomes easier to add another, and over time, your options increase. Online income is not built in a weekend. It's built over time, layer by layer. This is the most important part, guys. If you want online income that lasts, stop chasing tricks. Focus on 3 things. First, build a real skill, something people will still need the next year. Second, prove you can use that skill through practice, small projects, or real work. Third, make yourself visible in the right places, not everywhere, just where the work is. Online income is not about luck, it's about positioning. Once you are positioned properly, opportunities start finding you instead of the other way around. If this video helped you understand how to make money online in South Africa more clearly, guys, hit the like button and subscribe. It helps this channel reach more people who are tired of being misled. The next video you should watch is top 5 jobs that will still exist in 2030 because it will help you choose online skills that won't disappear. My name is Alec and this is 360 Careers, helping you grow, show up, and get hired. Let's go.